This is to make a detour car. So basically we have to put all the wheels together. Now here is supposed to stack two wheels together. So what we have here is two plate. Right, it goes something like that. So this one, this to this, that to that. Okay, let's try. So basically we have a big hole here and a small hole here. So normally what I'll do is I'll put the screw, the short screw, through the bigger hole. Then after that we take the screwdriver provided and then screw them, the two pieces of wheels together. Okay. Okay, finally this is my last screw. Right. So it looks like that. So we have already 4 done. For step 2, we have to put 2 pieces together with 3 screws. Bear in mind these 2 plates are different. So how do they look like? They look like this. So one will be this and this, and the other one will be this and this. Okay, let's try. Okay, so these are the 4 pieces. Bigger holes always on top so that we can tighten it easier, like that. Then we are going to put all the 3 screws, 6 screws in. Okay, it's done. So this is the front, this is the back. So remember these 2 are different. You can see this one got extra hole. Next we are going to step 3. Step 3, we have this motor assembly. Then you have to pass through this piece of wood before it goes to the battery case, and this piece of wood is this. Okay, so we have to take this out and we have to push through the wire first. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So this one have to go through the hole first. Quite tight. Okay, I think it's better to let this wood be at this thin side. Then the red one goes through. Yeah, that's a better idea. Then we have to force the wire through the hole. Yes. Then this wire have to go through these 2 terminals. So normally we have to twist it a little bit so that it become stronger. Right. Then for temporary, I will just twist it this way. Okay, done. And same for this black negative wire, twist it. Goes through. Oops. Through this one. With a little gap. Then we twist. Okay, that's it. 1, 2, 3, and this is step 3. Then here comes step 4. Step 4, we are supposed to put these 2 pieces to clamp on this motor housing. So if you look at here, there's one extra dot here, right? And this is for this hole. So make sure when you put it in, the screw is outside, slot it in. Then after that, you need this right, to secure it in front here. And remember just now we have this piece will secure behind. Let's try now. Oops, sorry. When you're putting this in, the screw should be inside, the screw head should be inside instead of outside, because while I was doing it, I found out that this plate is a shorter one. It has to be in between, right? Make sure the screw is inside instead of outside. Okay, done. So it looks like this. So the next step is step 5. We have to put this extension onto this part, and this extension is this and this. Let's try. Yep, I'm halfway through, but remember to put this to this, right? You need this longer screw compared to the normal screw that we have, right? So this one could go into the hole here easily. The one behind is tight, so in order to be a good fix, this thing must be loose. Okay, then carry on to do the other side. Okay, done. Ensure that this is free to move. Okay, now we need to fix the wheel. Now you look at here, this is something like a rectangle, so we have to choose these two wheels to fix here. Whereas here, we need to screw it in with this screw which is round. Okay, let's try. Right, take note, for this wheel, we have to put this way. This is the longer screw, this way, from inside out, and then we'll screw from here. Okay, this way. Okay, sorry. So this one shouldn't be like this, because eventually you hit against this side. So we have to turn it this way, then goes in, and then we will screw it tight. Yeah. Right. At the end of the day, make sure that the wheel is free to move, right, this way until it's tight. Okay, now it's done. So this is this wheel can spin, this wheel can spin, and this wheel is not supposed to spin now. And that's it, we've finished stage 6. Now 7, we need to put in the wheel behind with this orange brush, right? This is the last pair of wheels. These two wheels, we're not supposed to put them together. Instead, they are at left and right side, each on one side of this cart. This part 7, I think, is a bit more tricky. So there are 7 stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first thing I'll do is I want to put this in. So push it through the hole. Normally I'll take something hard, press against it, then press down when in. Okay. For this wheel, same thing. Press it in with something hard, but the alignment have to be quite. You have to search for alignment, right? Make sure it goes in. Yes, like that. Next, push this brush in. Push all the way here. So this one will ensure that we have a proper position of the wheel this way. Then we go through the bottom part, and then all 3 have to go in one by one. Invert this, brush go in, this one, press in. If you have something hard, it will be easier. Press it in, and then this one, align probably. press it. Yeah. Okay. Thing is done. Then what we need to do is just put in battery. Battery should be placed somewhere here, not exactly because you obstruct the wheel, so we have to press somewhere here so that it doesn't obstruct the wheel. Many physics in this. So now I've changed the board to not the smooth table but a rougher plywood. Let's see how's the effect. Now the movement is very good comparatively. So let's turn on. Oops, sorry, what happened? Yes.